FoodFood Award 2023 is back. पचास टॉप के रेस्टोरेंट कौन से हो सकते हैं इंडिया के अंदर? एक्चुअली कुछ प्रिडिक्टेबल, कुछ उम्मीद नहीं कर सकते. अच्छा, ये कहाँ पे है? करनाल का एक रेस्टोरेंट टॉप 50 में. बिल्कुल. अरे वाह. नूर महल में एक रेस्टोरेंट जो टॉप 50 के अंदर है. कलकत्ते के रेस्टोरेंट टॉप 50 के अंदर हैं. इतने सारे रेस्टोरेंट्स हैं इनमें से, लेकिन इस साल के टॉप 50 कौन से हैं? इसकी एक्साइटमेंट बड़ी ज़बरदस्त है. आई एम एक्साइटेड टू नो कि टॉप 50 रेस्टोरेंट्स कौन से हैं. मुझे भी नहीं पता. देखते हैं.
This is a very important award because it highlights the 50 best restaurants in the country as chosen by a jury of peers. I'm very happy to be here, happy to be part of it, and this is my little giving back to the industry when I come here year after year. So here I am celebrating 50 best restaurants in the country.
Absolutely great day for us today. 7th year, 11th edition of FoodFood Top 50 Restaurant Awards. Couldn't have asked for better. I think we're all excited, geared up to present what is the biggest and most credible awards in the country, the biggest jury ever to be put together in India. All the top chefs, all the top hoteliers, all the top restaurateurs.
It's an amazing platform that lets the entire industry get together, bask in each other's reflected glory, enjoy each other's accomplishments and accolades. It's especially incredible that all the stalwarts and doyens of our entire beautiful, wonderful industry are under one roof, and only Shafkat and Chef Sanjeev could have pulled this off. So kudos.
I'm extremely excited to host the FoodFood Award at our hotel. We opened this hotel about 1.5 years ago. The hotel is built on a philosophy of a lot of food and beverage as our specialty. And we will continue to open more spaces in the coming years with regards to our rooms, apartments. So look forward to welcoming you all to Grand Hyatt Gurgaon. Thank you very much.
We created a fantastic spread of food here, and it goes from Japanese cuisine to Indian cuisine, modern Indian creativity cuisine, and we're gonna have a live station with Italian pasta and gnocchi and risotto created by our Italian chef.
So excited to be here at FoodFood Awards in Delhi. Last year in Mumbai, we were there. It was a great ceremony, but Delhi Winter Awards are always good. So really excited, really looking forward.
FoodFood for me has been something which is very close to my heart. I've been watching the channel since ages, and it just feels so nice to see that same FoodFood get the entire food community together. And the fact that it's happening in my home city, it's brilliant.
FoodFood Awards represents amazing credibility all across the country. It's the most authentic awards, and attended by probably the biggest names of the hotel industry, so it gives it even more solidity and credibility. The awards created and helmed by Chef Sanjeev Kapoor, who's probably the biggest name, not only in the country, but one of the biggest names in the world.
I'm delighted to present the biggest celebration of the hospitality industry's food and beverage sector. At this beautiful Grand Hyatt Gurgaon, seeking to create a unique platform to recognize culinary talent, FoodFood Top 50 Restaurant Awards ranks the top 50 restaurant awards in India in order of votes cast by the grand jury. We are privileged to have a unique amalgamation of FoodFood television channel, which has a viewership of 40 million households, and Hospitality Horizon magazine, a world-class travel, food and hospitality magazine that Sanjeev helped me launch after we shut down BBC Good Food. It has a viewership of 1.5 lakh readership. Under the stewardship of the chairman of the jury, Mr. Nakul Anand, Co-chairperson Priya Paul, winners of the Jury Choice Awards have been decided by the who's who of the food and hospitality industry. I would like to thank all jury members, directors and the executive committee for their participation. Before we begin, I would like to thank Tarun Seth, the general manager of this beautiful hotel, for being the most gracious host and hosting these awards at this wonderful venue. A huge round of applause for Tarun Seth.
Good evening, everybody. I'm blessed to have an amazing team here at Grand Hyatt Gurgaon who make me look good on the stage. So thank you, Team Grand Hyatt Gurgaon. Very honored to have some very distinguished people from the hotel and the industry over here, and it's my pleasure to welcome you all. I wish you all a great evening ahead, and thank you once again for coming.
Now I'd like to very quick thank you to all my sponsors, without whom this evening would not have been possible. I would like to thank my presenting partner, Maggie Professional, powered by partners Hire, Viva, Catch Salt and Spices, and Ching Secret. Platinum industry partners, Massive Restaurants, the Leela Palace Hotels and Resorts, and DHV International. Gold industry partners, GIPL Restaurants, Radisson Hotel Group, and Wyndham Hotels and Resorts. Silver industry partners, Atmosphere Co., Chalet Hotels, Sarovar Hotels, and GRT Hotels. Associate partners, Urban Platter, IHM, Kikoman, Dawat, Switz, United Tables by Zweisel, Zweisel's Glass, Victoria Knox, Okinox, Sanjeev Kapoor Premium Houseway, US Cranberries, and the Brooklyn Creamery. Exhibit partners, Varahi Natural Mineral Water from the Himalayas, Alcoa, Aka, Kwa, Tubic, Angel, Westphalia Fruit, Plantaway, and Premier Printers. Celebration partners, Johnny Walker. I would now like to invite on stage Rahel Mukesh, Senior Brand Manager, Nestle Professional, to join us on stage.
Now, I represent Nestle Professional, which is Nestle's out-of-home arm that is dedicated to serve the F&B and the HoReCa industry. Our endeavor is to provide the industry with standardized, versatile, and quality products that help you deliver a great culinary experience for your customers. In our food portfolio, we have both savory and dessert solutions that work across the hotels, restaurant, and catering industries. In our dessert solutions, we have Milkmaid and Kit Kat Bits. In our beverage portfolio, we have both roast and ground and instant solutions that can dispense up to 80+ beverages. We have both hot and cold offerings. We have both paid or free offerings for both your employees or your consumers. Best of luck, everybody, and have a wonderful evening.
I would like to invite on stage Gagan Rajpal, Director Sales Distribution, Large Pack and B2B Viva, to come on stage, please.
It's a big privilege for us to be in front of all of you esteemed guests, the who's who of the food and beverages industry. With great pleasure, I would also like to share that we have completed 10 years of our quality, 10 years of innovation, and 10 years of taste.
Now, I'd finally like to invite Ashish Agarwal, Manager Marketing Category Hire, Refrigeration Category Hire Appliances, to join me on stage, please.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. We are a brand which is associated with 10 different categories in terms of your consumer durable industry. When we say one-stop solution for your appliances, home appliances, that means right from your kitchen space to your living bedroom space, we try to capture each and every portion of your house. We are the leader industry in terms of the glass door refrigerators.